Hey everyone, welcome to Dreamer's Kitchen. If you aren't a subscriber, be sure to hit that subscribe bell. And if you are a subscriber, we want to thank you so much for being a part of our dream team. Today we'll be sweetening things up a little bit. We'll be making our Black Forest cupcakes. Let's go ahead and dive right in. We're gonna start by using flour, granulated sugar, brown sugar, baking soda, mixed spice using our island spice product, baking powder, sea salt, powdered coffee, or you can use espresso, cocoa powder. Now we'll go ahead and combine our dry ingredients. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Now let's get started with our wet ingredients. We're going to add oil, room temperature buttermilk, vanilla extract, and eggs. Some hot water. Now we could go ahead and mix it together. While we're mixing, we're going to go ahead and combine our dry ingredients. Now we're going to go ahead and pour our cake batter onto our cupcake sheets. Make sure to fill them halfway because once they go in the oven to bake, they will rise. Fill them. You can use a paper bag or a disposable decorating bag, or you can use an ice cream scoop or be creative and use a Ziploc bag. Don't forget guys to like this video, be a part of our dream team, share it with your friends and family. For our cupcakes, we're going to make homemade whipped cream. Be sure to check out our description box for the measurement on this recipe. We're going to get started with some heavy whipping cream. We're going to mix it until it becomes light and fluffy. For flavor, we're going to add vanilla, As it starts to get thick, we're going to go ahead and add some granulated sugar for sweetness. Now we're going to go ahead and top it off with some cherries. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out our other videos, like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel.